Question number 6. Find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. In question number 5, we had found the number to be multiplied. Now we are going to find out the number to be divided. We have got 252. In 252, since the unit digit is 2, you will start dividing with 2. After dividing, you get 126, and in the similar way, you will find out the prime factors. You have already done the prime factors earlier, so I am not discussing that. So your prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Now you can see 7 is the number which is not appearing in pair, that is a single number. So if it is a single number, if I remove that, then the rest of the numbers are appearing in pair. So 7 is the whole number, smallest whole number to be divided. That means if I write 252 as the prime factors, it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. And when I divide it with 7, that is 252 divided by 7, it is equal to, on the left hand side I have written 252 divided by 7. On the right hand side I am dividing the prime factors with 7. When you divide the prime factors with 7, then 7 and 7 cancelled out. That means you are left with the prime factors on the right hand side. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. You can see over here. Right. Now on the left hand side, when you divide 252 with 7, you are left with root 36. So root 36 is equal to root 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, like this. Now since these factors are in square root sign, when you remove square root, when you find out the square root, out of these two, 1 2 will come out, and out of these 3, 1 3 will come out because they are appearing in pairs. That means you are left with the number 6. So root 36 is equal to 6. This is the second part, and first part is find the smallest number. So smallest whole number to be divided is 7, and the square root of the number obtained is 6. Now let us do fourth part. In fourth part, you are given with the number 2645. When you start dividing, first of all, since the unit digit is 5, you will start dividing with 5. You get 529. Now divide with 23. You will get 23. And once again, you get 23 on division. That means now the prime factors of 2645 is equal to 5 into 23 into 23. Now you can see 5 is the only number which is not appearing in pairs. So least number to be divided is 5. Which is the least number? 5. Now 2645, when you write in the form of prime factors, it is 5 into 23 into 23, sorry. When you divide it with 5, it is 5 into 23 into 23 divided by 5. On both sides I have divided by 5, and I have taken the square root. On the left hand side, when you take the square root and divide, it is 529 square root. And on the left hand side, on the right hand side, 5 and 5 cancelled out. You are left with root 23 into 23. And since it is appearing in pairs, so you will write single 23 on the left hand side. So root 529 is equal to 23. The rest parts of question number 6 you will do of your own.